we're delighted to have been asked to market this property. It's a 3-bedroom detached property in St John's Road. The detached properties here don't come up very often, so we feel honoured to have this in our register. It's got, as you can see behind me, it's got a fantastic garden, a couple of terraces all paved, and it goes on to a grass area, and there's some well developed shrubs and stuff throughout the property. It comes with a garage and a shed out here, and a great big drive to park on as well, all gravelled. And the house itself it's got a new kitchen, the bathrooms are all great, and the good sized 3 bedrooms along with the living room. So have a look at the video, then book your viewing. Take care.